In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exclude devices on Google Ads. By the end, you'll know exactly how to control which devices your ads appear on so you can focus your budget where it performs best. First, go to your Google Ads account. Once you're in, look for the Campaign section. Click Campaign to open the campaign controls. You may see a navigation panel expand. That's normal. Now click Campaigns again to bring up the full list of campaigns so you're sure you're working on the right one. This helps you keep things organized and avoids applying changes to the wrong place. To exclude devices from a specific campaign, find and click the gear icon. This gear represents the settings area for the campaign you've selected. If you manage multiple campaigns, double-check the name at the top so you know you're adjusting the correct one. Next, click Additional Settings. This section contains more detailed controls that aren't visible by default. From there, click Devices. This is where you manage where your ads can show, and it's especially helpful if you know certain device types aren't converting well for your goals. On the Devices page, you'll see options to control which devices your ads appear on. Typically, you'll find categories like computers, mobile phones, tablets, and sometimes TV screens. If you're running campaigns that perform best on desktop, for example, this is where you can limit spend on mobile. Likewise, if your landing page is optimized for mobile users, you might choose to exclude other device types to keep your traffic focused. Click. Set specific targeting devices and uncheck the devices you want to exclude. Unchecking a device tells Google Ads not to show your ads on that category. Take a moment to think about your campaign's goals and past performance. If reports show high cost and low conversions from a particular device type, unchecking that device can improve efficiency. If you're not sure yet, consider excluding only the clear underperformers so you can test and measure the impact over time. Once you're done, click Save. This applies the changes to the specific campaign you're editing. Remember, these exclusions affect only this campaign, not your entire account, which gives you flexibility to tailor device strategies across different campaigns. If you need to revisit your choices later, you can return to the same devices area and recheck any device to include it again. And that's it. You've excluded devices on Google Ads, giving you better control over where your ads appear and how your budget is used.